We'll guide you through how to use layers Inkscape to manage your designs effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video first. Open Inkscape on your desktop and start a new project, or open an existing one where you want to organize elements better. You'll see the layers panel on the right side of your screen by default. But if it's not visible, you need to go to the view menu at the top, then hover over show hide and click on layers to bring it up. Now that you have the layers panel open, you can see the existing layers in your project. To add a new layer, simply click the plus icon at the bottom of the layers panel. A dialog box will pop up asking you to name your layer and decide if it should be above or below the current layer. Give it a name that makes sense for your project, like background or text, and click add. Once your new layer is created, you can start drawing or moving objects into this layer by selecting them, and then right-clicking to choose move to layer and select your target layer from the list. This way you can keep elements organized and editable separately from one another. You can lock or hide layers by clicking the lock or eye icon next to each layer, which helps prevent accidental changes. To rearrange the order of your layers, you can simply click and drag them up or down within the layers panel. Remember that layers at the top of the list will appear above those lower down. This feature is particularly useful when you have overlapping elements that need to be visible in a specific order. Using layers effectively can enhance your workflow by keeping your designs neat and manageable. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.